Hey guys, what's up? I want to introduce you to a free plugin I found. I was watching something's page. Shout out to him, man. He's an incredible resource. Much respect, brother. Called Soundware, right? And it's free. You go here, or you can go to something page and go to this particular video right here, the 8 free plugins for May. Follow that link, and then you press download free, and right here you'll see they have Octane for free. Here it is, loaded up in my MPC software. So I'm just messing around with some of the sounds. I was actually kind of impressed with some of these sounds. Some of these sounds didn't sound that bad. Now this is definitely a very modern sounding plugin. It doesn't compete with like Omnisphere or anything like that, so don't expect it, but it's free. It's just tons of sounds in here, guys. Like, look at this. Arpeggios, bass, bells, brass, everything is grouped together. You know, stabs, beats. You know, I think, man, bro, it's free. It's like for free. I think this is worth it. You know, look, y'all check it out. You know, go to soundware.io. Try it out. What can it hurt? All right, peace. Go to psychokit.com. Support your boy. Respect.